Alright guys, got something special for you today. Today's joke actually comes courtesy of you all. A viewer wrote in and says that her 6-year-old wants to be a chef, so she loves to watch the videos, and she actually loves the jokes too. So she wrote in a question or a trivia joke for all of us. Her name is Regla, and she is from Miami, Florida. So here is the question. She wants to know, do you know a mermaid's favorite social media platform? Instaclam. Regla, thank you for brightening my day and putting a smile on my face. I hope that put a smile on y'all's. Alright guys, let's get to the video. What up guys, and welcome back to the FitMenCook kitchen. For today's quickie recipe, we have got a 20-minute one skillet recipe. We're gonna be cooking up some chicken, shrimp, and rice, all Cajun style. I got the Cajun right there with a little accent piece, right? I get a little better? I've been working on it. Anyway, this recipe is so dope, guys. You're only gonna need 20 minutes. You're gonna be in and out of the kitchen. And the best thing is that it uses a common leftover ingredient. That's right, brown rice. So if you find yourself in a pinch this week and you made too much brown rice, or you've got stocks and loads of brown rice in your pantry, today I'm gonna show you a delicious way to get rid of it. All right, guys, if you are ready to roll up your sleeves and get those hands dirty, then let's get started. First, add in a little bit of oil, toss in some garlic, and then the holy trinity of Cajun cooking. Got some onions, some bell pepper, and some celery. Stir it up. And what we're looking for here is just to get a really nice brown on the onions. We don't want to sear anything, we don't want to burn anything, we just want to flavor the oil and caramelize the onion. Then, once you get this really fragrant, we're going to toss in our chicken. And mix everything together as it cooks up. And as it cooks, we are going to add in our personality right now. Sprinkle in some smoked paprika. Pinch of heat with some cayenne. Some oregano. Here's the optional ingredient with a little bit of turmeric. And don't worry if the chicken is cooked all the way through, because we are going to cook it through later on. We just want to lock in some of the flavor so that each bite of the chicken, you get a little bit of spice, a little bit of flavor. Make some room in your skillet, and you're gonna add in your cooked leftover brown rice, along with some canned diced tomatoes, and some water. And then to thicken this up, we're gonna add in a little bit of tomato paste. And finally, what is a good Cajun dish without a little bit of seafood? So we're gonna add in some beautiful jumbo shrimp. Just mash it down right there. Here is an optional ingredient to add a little bit of extra flavor. This is a bay leaf. May not look much, but it provides a whole lot of flavor. I'm gonna just stuff this down right here. Top it off with a little bit of sea salt and some pepper. And then bring this to a light simmer. Then we're gonna cover and cook this for 15 to 20 minutes. And after about 15 minutes, woo, wow. And as it cools down, it's going to thicken up. Just reach in there and get out our bay leaf. Woo. Finish it off with some fresh ground pepper and some freshly chopped parsley. And now, the moment I've been waiting for. Oh, this smells so incredible. And what I like about it is that it reminds me of some of my favorite Cajun dishes. It's a really quick knockoff version, but it's so delicious and flavorful. Because you should be happy whenever you're eating food. If you're craving some jambalaya, you know, your auntie's jambalaya, or some etouffee, you make this rice, 20 minutes, it will hit the spot. And it goes without saying that if you recreate this dish, you can take off the tails before you cook the shrimp. I just do that because it's just visually appealing. But yeah, of course, take off the tails of the shrimp before you cook. Smash that like button below if you like videos like this. It really helps me out, helps us out to know what we can do to continue to provide quality content for y'all. And remember to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to ring that bell to be notified every time we post hot new content here on the channel. All right, guys. Again, thank y'all for watching. Until next time, keep it flavorful a little bit of spicy, but more importantly, never ever boring. Ooh! Bye guys.